Indonesia, a country in Southeast Asia crossed by the equator, lies between two continents and two oceans. Indonesia is also known as the biggest archipelago in the world. As part of the world, Indonesia is open for international relations. Encouraged by the increasing of international traffic, in 1950, Direktorat Jenderal of Indonesian Immigration was established as an institution that regulates and controls every individual's coming in and out of Indonesia's territory in order to maintain state sovereignty. Recently, Direktorat Jenderal of Immigration, managed by a Director General with support from a Secretary of Directorate General and 6 Directors Board. In accordance with the laws of Indonesia's immigration, the Directorate General of Immigration serves in immigration matters, law enforcement, state security, and development of public welfare. Consists of thousands of islands separated by seas, Indonesia has maritime border and land border, 3 countries on land borders and 10 other countries on maritime borders. Indonesian immigration is in charge of running the immigration function by doing immigration inspection and controlling every individual coming in and out of Indonesian territory through immigration checkpoints and border paths scattered throughout Indonesia, include land, sea, and air. There are 130 immigration checkpoints, consists of 33 airports and 97 land ports and seaports. To facilitate traditional crossing for residents in the border area, 86 land and sea border paths were established based on agreement between Indonesian and bordering countries. Directorate General of Immigration also provides immigration service in approval of visa issuance, Republic of Indonesia passport issuance, and stay permit for foreigners. Those services are conducted in the Immigration Office scattered throughout Indonesia, Ministry of Law and Human Rights Regional Office, and Directorate General of Immigration Head Office. Also conducted by immigration officials in 19 Indonesian representation aboard. Controlling and law enforcement conducted by Directorate General of Immigration includes monitoring the presence and activity of foreigners in Indonesia, investigation, prosecution, and deportation against immigration violations. Detention for illegal immigrants conducted in 13 detention houses throughout Indonesia. Currently, Indonesian immigration has 7,000 personnels and spread across the head office, immigration office, district office, and Indonesian representation abroad. Therefore, to increase the capacity and capability of each immigration personnel in doing their duties and functions, various educations and trainings in the field of technical knowledge as well as other fields that support the task implementation in immigration. Directorate General of Immigration has developed a system and technology in immigration to encounter immigration problems and more complex international crimes. As for the system being developed at this time is Border Control Management or BCM, equipped with sophisticated document inspection tools integrated with immigration information management along with the other system such as Enhanced Alert System and e-Office Immigration. An automatic inspection system or AutoGate is also implemented to facilitate people crossing in and out of Indonesian territory. As a gatekeeper of Indonesia to the international community, Directorate General of Immigration has a very strategic role in supporting Indonesian government, not only in bilateral cooperation with other countries' immigration agency, but also in multilateral cooperation, such as Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation, Association of Southeast Asian Nations, and other international forums. Moreover, in response to the asylum seeker and irregular migrant issues, Directorate General of Immigration conducts cooperation with UNHCR and IOM. The common scope of international immigration cooperation done by the Directorate General of Immigration are the exchange of information on immigration matters and the development of human resources. With the support of adequate resources, Immigration of Indonesia is committed to serve and cooperate according to international standards and prioritizing the best service for the people and the world.